So next statement is about the Alif statement or Alif condition checking. So as we discussed earlier, num1 equal to 10 and num2 equal to 20. If num1 is greater than 20, then we have to print like num1 is greater than 20. But we are saying that num2 is greater. In this case, num2 is greater than num1. So we can use the Alif condition to check that also. A very basic statement like print, like the same f, and there is like num2 is greater than num1 num1. Okay, now there can be else statement which states that, so this is if and Alif statement. There can be else statement which states that if either of the two statements are or the two conditions are wrong, then the third will execute. That is like print. The third condition is like num1 equal to num2. That's all. Okay, so this is like 20 is greater than 10. So this Alif statement is executed. If I make the values both equal to 10, then there will be like num1 equal to 10 equal to 10. And if I make this one greater than this, so this will be first is if statement will be executed. So we have to make this, so we have to get something like this. So this is about if else, if else and Alif statement. So basically these are, so there are multiple if statements. So when we use if statements inside if statement, that is called nested condition. Okay, so we will discuss them also. Okay, so there are some problems using the if else and Alif conditions. Okay, so for if else we have to check the number that is entered by the user, whether it is even or odd. So let me check the number. So first of all, we have to take the input from the user. So number equal to int input, enter any number. So the logic behind even or odd is that if a number is perfectly divisible by 2, it will be considered as an even number. If a number is not divisible by 2, it is considered as odd number, not perfectly divisible by 2. Okay, so if number modulo 2, that is modular division, equal to even means remainder is 0, then we have to say that the number is number is an even number, is an even number. Okay, even number. Or we can use the else statement to execute the other one, that is it will be odd number. So that's like it is an odd number. So we have to enter the value like 1002, so that this will give me output as it is an even number. Similarly, we can have another number like 23, that is an odd number. Okay, so this question is very simple. Now we have to take three inputs from the user and we have to find the greatest of three. Second question is about like we have to utilize the if, Alif and else condition. So for that we have to take the three numbers, so like num1 equal to n input. We have to use three input conditions in the basic. So enter num1 like this. Similarly, we can copy this for 3 times. So this is like 1 and like this. So this is num2 and this is num3 and this is num2 and this is num3. Okay, now we have to find the greatest of three. So for the greatest of three, we have to compare the three numbers. So like this. So if num1 is greater than num2, like this, and we can use some AND operator here. AND operator is basically the statements that are left side of the and the statement that are the right side of the or decision that is taken left side of the and the decision that is at the right side of the and. If both are true, then the statement will be true, otherwise it will give me a false boolean value. So we can use AND operator. There is like logical operator, num1 is greater than num3. So if num1 is greater than num2 and num1 is greater than num3. If both if num1 is greater than both the values, then we can return print like f num1 is greatest. Okay, similarly we can use elif num2 is greater than num1 and num2 is greater than num3. We have to print f